Quality has been instrumental to Fairlife. We've been a fast-growing company, and really with ETQ, we've been able to scale up, and we've been able to adapt different teams to be on that same quality mindset, where they're able to talk in that same language and communicate to one another about similar issues that there are out there. When it comes to our shop floor workers, we make sure that they are the ones that see quality. They're the ones that are seeing the product before it goes out the door. So really we want to enable them to see the procedures, know exactly how to go through that process, and just make sure that they are following our procedures, reviewing specs for different products that we have within ETQ, along with our suppliers, our ingredients, and just allowing them to see everything. So I think one thing that has been really helpful is our change management module. So we were previously doing paper and pencil, and people weren't aware of the changes that were occurring. So as we went into the change management module in ETQ, we were able to set up groups where we could notify people. So using the different stages and phases of ETQ, we were able to hard code in those and make sure that people were notified of the changes that were occurring.